back at it again with another video, as you can tell. So today I'm going to be talking about the new Fenty that came out, and I got 2 of the items, so I'm going to show you guys that and the swatches, and I'm also going to show you another item that's from that line, but because I didn't get all of the products, but when I get to that I'll explain more about that. But so let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I got is the Summer Nights Iridescent Lip Luminizer Trio, and it looks like this. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of glaring you, isn't it? But that is the colors, but hopefully you'll get the swatches better. So cute, maybe you can see it better without the box on. This is the first color. This is Vacray. This is the pink one. It's super cute. Oh, this packaging is so cute. Like the rose gold up here is just giving me life goals. Oh geez, okay. And let me go ahead and give you guys a little swatch of this. Oh, it's not very, yeah, let me get a bit of a little glob. Oh, it's super, like, chill. It's like a chill, like, little pop of color. Like, it's like a legit, like, lip gloss instead of, like, a luminizer, I feel like. But it's super cute. I was about to try it on my lips, but that's okay. But yeah, it looks kind of gold on my hand instead of like pink. You guys can see that. It's just really shimmery. So this next color, Mermaid Thighs. It's super cute. It's a blue, purple, like a periwinkle iridescent color. Let's see. Maybe I should like try to, mix it up a little bit. Alright, first of all, that coming out of the package is clean. Oh my goodness. It gives me like goals for the day. Yeah, let me go ahead and give you, oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like true to the color in the bottle. It's like purple, blue, periwinkle, like iridescent-y, like look at that. It's really mermaid thighs. Okay, so this next color, like, we're gonna see about this color. Like, for real, I don't really care for it. It looks like really kind of like poopy. But it's cute. It's like a nice iridescence. Like, it's cute like that. It's like a shiny shimmer. But let's see. So this color is Snakeskin. So the bottle, it's really cute in the bottle and everything. But let's see. Let's just give it a swatch. Let's see what it's really gonna do for us here. Cause oh, it's so cute. It's really nice. My bad, Ree. It's like a really cute brown, like a green brown color. It's really cute. I like that. It's like a subtle. I feel like it would go good with my skin tone. But okay. So those are the 3 swatches. I'm really digging them. For sure. But with the snakeskin, I still feel like I could have done with one of the Summer Days collection in the summer with these 2 colors, these other 2 colors. But that's life. And I wasn't able, when I went to Sephora, they didn't even have the Summer Days lip collection at all. I was like, oh, dang, slaughter. But that's okay. So for the next thing, we have this little guy here, and this is the Kilowatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Duo. So let's see. Let's just get into it. But these are the two colors that we're going to be looking at here. It's Sandcastle and Minted Mojito. Trusty dusty scissors. Oh boy, the packaging is so cute as usual. So those are the two colors on the back. That's what the colors look like on the package. But it's just this cute little octagon shape, compact, and it just says Fenty Beauty on it. Super cute. I hope you guys can see that. But okay, let's open this little baby up. Ooh, so cute. Oh, gives you life goals. Look at that. I feel like you're getting the true color of that too. Oh, they're so cute. So this, the rose golder color, if that's what I'm seeing, it's called Sandcastle. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little swatch of that, and it's this one. Let's see. So we're gonna do it right here. Oh my god. Caro. That's cute AF. Oh, look at your life goes. Okay, so look at that. That's the bottom one right here. The Sandcastle. That's so cute. It's like this rose gold highlight. That's like so effing cute. I can't even deal with it. Okay, so the next one is going to be the Minted Mojito. And it's this one. It's the blue one, which gives me life goals too. It's super cute. I'm really glad that I got this one instead of any of the other one, or the other one, because I tried both of them on in the store, and I was like, I feel like I don't have a highlight that's these colors. So I feel like that'd be good for me to get that and try it out on. But there's the swatch for the Minted Mojito, and it's super cute. It's a nice blue shimmery highlighter. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Like, and it's almost like purple looking. Like, these give me life goals. Now I can finally wear them out because I've finally made this video for you guys. So I'm excited about that. But because, like, I don't know, I feel like, because right now I'm trying to get my skin clear, you know what I'm saying? Because I have a lot of acne scars. So once I get that in check, I definitely plan on just wearing like no makeup and just like a highlight. Like highlight my, like, accentuate my cheekbones and everything, you know? So and like lip gloss and like maybe some mascara. Cause like, you know, the eyebrows is always on fleek, you know, baby. But yeah, so I really don't have to do too much. But I feel like that's what I will be doing, because I feel like it's just, that's all you need is a little bit of highlight just to be like, well, at least me. Because I'm like, all I gotta do is put a little shine, a little oil on, you know, and then I'll be like this gleam. But I want a little pop of color to be like, ooh, damn, what? Just, but yes. So last but not least, let me put this back. Like, look at my fingers though. Like, they're super shiny. But let me go ahead and put this back in the box. And then we can get on to the next item. Yeah, actually, I think it was the most expensive thing here. But, oh yeah. After I'm done with this, I'll share the prices of each thing. But this is the next thing that I got, and it's very bomb. And I'm really excited that I got this. It's the glitter pom-pom. And, because I wanted to get the body lava, but I wasn't able to get it, and I didn't want to get the gold one. I wanted to get the Who Needs Clothes, because that's the color that I wanted, and I knew it was going to be effing cute. But, so I was like, okay, I definitely want this. Like, I just wanted this because it's so effing cute, and I wanted it in my collection. But, yeah, so let me go ahead and take this out for you guys. And I've had this for a while now, actually, like a few weeks. But I've waited to not use, like, I've waited to open it, or, well, I opened it. I just didn't use it. To use it or anything, because I wanted to, like, show you guys everything about it and, like, introduce it to you guys before I did anything with it. But so this is what it looks like in the box. It's a cute little ball, a little pink ball, and it has a little Fenty Beauty on the bow. It says Fenty Beauty up there. see if you can see it. It says it in white. But okay, ooh. Look at how cute this is. Like, I cannot deal. Like, and then there you can see on the bottom it has a little pink, with a little ball the glitter comes from. But let me go ahead and pat that for you guys. I'm excited. Like, ooh, I'm gleaming. I'm gleaming off the Zan on them. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like, I am in love. It definitely has a little bit of residue. Like, it will come off on your clothes if you let it. But that's the Fenty Fairy Bomb. It's super cute. I'm super glad that I got it. Like I was saying, I feel like it's just a cute little girly thing to have in your makeup collection. Like, just sitting on your vanity or in your bathroom. Like, do you mean? But yes. Okay, so I hope you guys could see the body glitter. But yeah. But so lastly, I did get samples from Sephora because that's where I picked up all of my Fenty items. And so I just wanted to share with some of you guys that I got. And the first thing is an It's Cosmetics Bye Bye Breakout. It's a full coverage treatment concealer. Interesting. So that's what it looks like. There's like a few different shades right here. Like a light, or a light, medium tone, and rich. So that's pretty cool. I probably will try that out. Next thing I got is a Moroccan oil shampoo and conditioner. Fleur de Rose. And that's what it looks like. It's a cute little pink. So it's just a little packs in there. So I'll definitely be trying that out. I love using those little things when I go traveling. So, and the next thing is a Dior Dream Skin Advanced Global Age Defying Skin Care Perfect Skin Corrector. And that's what it looks like. It's a little pack. And next is a Tom Ford Dior perfume sample. And that's what it looks like in there. That's the little packaging. Cute little ribbon packaging. And lastly is a Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum 40. SPF 40. That's what that looks like. So I was really excited to get that stuff too, because I was like, man, well, if you guys don't have any like promotional deals, like, could you help somebody out with a sample, I guess? Jeez. But okay, so the prices for these items though, let's see if I have the receipt. So the Sand and Mint Kilowatt Duo Highlighter was $36. And the Summer Nights Lip Gloss was $32. And then the Fenty Fairy Bomb. Okay, I found the receipt. And this was $42. That's everything that I got. So thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Share. It doesn't hurt you guys to do so. So please help me out. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye, lovies.